How to turn off location on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can turn off location on Google Chrome. The ability for Google Chrome to access your location is enabled by default when it's installed on a new device. That location access enables the web browser to find nearby businesses and restaurants that are near to you when you perform the searches. If you don't feel comfortable with Google Chrome being able to access your location, you can turn it off. First of all, you want to open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you have opened it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From this list, select the option of Settings. Once you're on your Settings menu, scroll down and find the option of Site Settings. Once you're on your site settings, you have the section of permissions. From here, you want to select location. As you can see, location is enabled right now. If you want to turn off location, simply toggle this option off. Now it says blocked, which means Google Chrome no longer has access to your location. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.